The crowd's starting to fill in a little and the thunder is getting louder. Still no rain. It's officially started raining.
This is unreal. There's just so much rain.
It feels cool, actually. It's nice.
I don't really know what's happening. It sounded like a prayer came over the speakers, and then both teams went to their respective benches. Is that a thing? I think it was a timeout. Yeah, they're coming back out right now, so. Oh. That's a handball. Wow. He's going to be thinking about that one.
Dumping water right now. It's raining so hard. That'd be so hard to play, like with water just dripping in your eyes the whole time.
Halftime, 0-0. Still storming. I don't know if you mentioned this or not, but it's general seating.
And you don't have like assigned seats?
And you can pretty much sit wherever you want to right now. So we moved a little closer to the goal because Kuala Lumpur City will be at this end for the second half. And hopefully it will be a more exciting game from a goal standpoint in the second half.
Oh my God. All right, this is the concession stand. Is this like caramel corn? Yeah. Thank you. How much? 10? That's 2, I think, isn't it? I think this is Thai. I'm gonna give him a Thai money. I have this, is that okay? Thank you. Sorry. Okay, much better. Ribena lacy. Ooh, that is good. It's almost like hibiscus tea. It's really not as sweet as I was expecting it to be. And caramel popcorn. For some reason, Malaysia loves caramel popcorn instead of regular popcorn. Like we went to the movies a couple times here, only caramel corn. Holy crap. It's pouring. It's like raining harder now.